Hello, ninth and 10th graders. It is hopefully Wednesday when you're watching this, though I am recording it on Tuesday night. I'm not using my headphones because the house is quiet. And you can actually maybe hear the sounds of the frogs from the open windows because it's a beautiful night. Maybe also sirens. But anyway, I want to talk about what you're doing tomorrow on Wednesday. So, we're going to do our WebEx, and we're going to do our WebEx about 5 minutes into class. And there will be a link of how to do that here. When you're done, you're going to be reading chapter 6 as much as you can, and then taking the quiz. If you don't have a chance to work on it till tomorrow, that's okay, because tomorrow, Thursday, there is not another reading, okay? So on Thursday, all you're doing is turning in your reading guide and your vocabulary sheet and doing the final vocabulary quiz for the week, which isn't even posted yet. You can't even do it. So, but that'll be there after tomorrow. So today, on Wednesday, you have the WebEx with me 5 minutes in, and then you have your reading of chapter 6, okay? So hopefully I'll see you in a couple minutes.